DPF and DEF delete kit installation in Hyundai HX140L with Perkins 1204F engine. In the kit, you will find the device and 2 dummy plugs for the NOx sensors. Locate the ACM plug and the DEF tank plug. They will be located under the hatch beneath the second step. Disconnect the ACM and the DEF tank plug, then connect the device in place of the ACM. Locate the first NOx sensor. You will find it under the metal element on top of the machine. You will find the second NOx sensor and the ammonia sensor on top of the machine on the wall opposite to the counterweight. The second NOx sensor is located underneath the ammonia sensor. Disconnect the second NOx sensor and install the dummy plug supplied with the kit. Disconnect the ammonia sensor and leave it disconnected. Remove the metal element in order to have easier access to the first NOx sensor. Disconnect the sensor and install the dummy plug supplied with the kit. Assemble the metal element. Note the absence of error codes following the device installation.